My name is Hossein Bassir. I'm an industrial designer. We design and manufacture 3D printers. Our most notable product and recent product is called MoonRay. MoonRay is a desktop 3D printer which uses UV-DLP technology to cure liquid resin into objects. It uses images of layers of any 3D object and it projects it on a bed of liquid resin to create solid 3D objects.
3D printing has many different processes, different type of approach that you can deposit materials. Stereolithography is a photocurable resin based process. So you control the energy input to convert liquid resin into solid. And using this approach to form three-dimensional models.
There's pretty much nothing you can't do with 3D printing. You can have interlocking geometries. You can have things that are stuffed inside, like a ball within a ball. Then there is another ball in there, which is completely impossible to create with injection molding.
SOA technology has a higher resolution, potentially can be much faster. So we developed actually technology that can build parts within minutes instead of hours.
3D printing is getting popular. Right now, I would think a lot of hobbyists, industrial designers, character designers, dental labs, jewelers are getting into 3D printing too. Jewelers take their designs, I guess it always starts from a sketch or an idea in their mind, and they use 3D software out there that could be Rhino, could be ZBrush, so they create the digital version of that idea in the computer. And then they use 3D printers to print the first samples of that, which is not possible in the traditional way of doing jewelry. And then they take this and they use it in the lost wax process and they create the actual part out of it. A lot of dentists use MoonRay for 3D printing as part of their process.
For Invisalign, the technology actually is unique in that they truly have a mass customized product. Basically, all the products from them are customized to individual patients.
With anything that is made of plastic is harmful for the environment. And 3D printing is not really doing much to help the environment. One of the drawbacks of 3D printing, especially with resin 3D printing, is that the liquid that resin 3D printing printers use is, if it's disposed in the current form of the liquid, it's not really good for the environment. The future of 3D printing, first of all, 3D printers are going to be more available to mass, which from 2008 that I had my first experience till today, obviously you can see the trend of getting it more popular and available to everybody.
I would say, in my view, probably we will see any product associated with human body. So we see successful products like Invisalign, brace, like hearing aid shell. They are successful because they utilize 3D printing's unique capability. That is, they can print very complex shape with really low cost. So the good thing about human body is everyone is uniquely different from others. So we will see, eyeglasses, maybe shoe soles, maybe watches. So anything you can think about, you can wear, or anything you want.
Just the culture of us buying things that we don't need requires people to actually mass manufacture those junk products. In future, one of the ways that 3D printing could help people is that if I want a certain design on the back of my iPhone case, maybe I can print it instead of putting hundreds of people to work to just create that single product that is not actually being beneficial to me. I just want it. So the culture of wanting things could turn into, I want it, I create it myself. So yeah, if one day becomes that available and that easy to use, for sure people are gonna use it for anything.